Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Motorola Moto Edge mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover from the body. Next, pull out the logic board frame with the lens by undoing 12 screws. Next, apply heat to the camera lens glass. This model has 4 camera lens rings. Select the broken glass ring and apply heat. And then slightly apply pressure from the wrist side to take out the broken lens. Next, place a new camera lens ring with adhesive. Next, follow the same step for the other rings too. Next, secure the board frame with the lens by adding 12 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.